Hello, this is Janice Sullivan from Sullivan J Photography, and today's quick dive is sharing you behind the scenes of my drop refractions. Before we get started on the behind the scenes, I want to let you know that all of these images that you see here have been stacked focus. At the end of the video, I'll give you a link on sharing how to stack your images. This video was made for my membership program at membership.sullivanjphotography.com. As you can see here, here's the glass. Here's what we were working on. Put this on the back. This right here, I put this Tupperware on a chair that I have because I know that I've played with it and I know that the water drops here, this is a good place to refract the background here, which reverses everything, remember. I'm going to go ahead and start adding the glycerin here. Here's the glycerin. Make sure you make them go apart from each other because they get bigger. It's cool when you put these down initially because you can already see the refraction happening. You're so tempted to already grab your camera, but I just want to get this all in. I was thinking about making a heart. I think I'm just going to place them all over the place just to be random. But you could be creative and try different ways. I left too much of a gap here, but when you put drops in very close, make it really small because once they start merging, it looks horrible. I'm putting more than I need because I might want to try a different composition. Now I'll go ahead and set up the camera and start shooting. If you're new, I would love it if you subscribe to the channel, and to watch more of macro and stacking, just follow the arrows. Cheers.